Hi there, so today I will show you how I make this delicious one pot meal. I think they call it frittata. The first thing that I'm gonna do is to fry my red onion. You can use any onion of your choice. You can fry with either unsalted butter or olive oil, but in this case I'm using my olive oil. Another hack is you can freeze your onions and your peppers so that when you need to cook, you just grab and fry. And for my spices, I'm going to use garlic powder because I don't have garlic right now, and I'm going to use coriander, and I'm going to use some herbs, and I'm going to use aromat for my onion. You can use, I'm going to use aromat for my eggs. You can use any seasoning of your choice. It really depends on your taste buds, really. Okay, so I'm gonna fry my onions for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna add my chopped peppers. I've made my peppers a bit thick, but you can make them, you can chop them finely if you want. It really depends on you. I just wanted some color on my food. Okay, so after frying my mixed peppers for about 3 to 4 minutes, it really depends on how crunchy you want them to be, I add my steamed broccoli. If you want, you can add a raw one, but for me, I think it's faster this way if I just put the steamed one. I steamed it on my Instant Pot for just 5 minutes, for 3 minutes, because if you steam it for 5 minutes, it's gonna be overcooked. Okay, so I add my steamed broccoli here. Okay, and while I let that sit for about a minute or two, I take my eggs. I used 7 eggs in this case. And then on my eggs I'm gonna add aromat. If I had Parmesan cheese, I was gonna add that as well, but unfortunately I didn't have it. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of milk, but if you have cream, it's gonna be even more delicious. It totally depends on you. Either way, it's gonna be so nice, trust me. Okay, so after mixing my eggs, I'm gonna add my roasted sweet potatoes. You can take even your leftover sweet potatoes if you need to, and then mix that up, and then add your eggs, and then add your cheese. In this case I'm using mozzarella, but my biggest mistake was that I forgot to actually coat the pan with butter or with a baking spray. And it was so difficult for me to clean it. Either way, this was so delicious. Then after that, you take this and put it into your oven and bake it for 20 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. And then after that, you're done. Okay, and now it's ready. Look at that. It is so delicious. Even the kids loved it. So if you want to try it at home, let me know on the comment section, and I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and please check out my playlist for more videos. And until next time, thank you. Bye.